Good afternoon and welcome to today's trade roundup of the week. My name is Paul Scott, one of the senior traders around here at Platinum Trading Systems, and I'm here to take you through the trades that have triggered in for us this week. It's been a little bit of a slow burner this week, but we have had 3 trades that triggered. Now, as ever, all of our analysis gets posted, longer term analysis gets posted first thing on a Monday morning. Obviously, all levels are valid for the week, unless we sort of say so, of course. And what we're going to be looking at today, we're going to be looking at 3 trades. One on the New Zealand dollar, that's using our intraday bank protection level strategy, also known as our important zones. And the other 2 are major support and resistance trades. So on Monday morning, we released our data. And we had in here in our important zones, important trading zones for the day. The one that actually triggered in for us here was an important buying zone on the Kiwi dollar, price of 6,500. These are 2020 trades, so 20 pip stop and a 20 pip take profit target. So what we're going to look at here first off is the Kiwi dollar trade. So as we can see here, this is Monday. We gave an indication to be buying around at the 6,500 level. This matches up with our buying zone here, and that's an important level. So the trade kicked in here at the top of the zone at 6,500. The price went down about another 6 or 7 pips, and then rallied, and we got out of there very nicely for a quick 20 pips. A very, very nice way to start the week. We also released, as I say, our longer term trades. Our longer term trades here in the way that we trade them. Longer term trades that are given out 40 pip stop loss, and we aim for 150 pips at least on these trades. So the 2 that we're going to be looking at that triggered in this week, one is the Canadian dollar and one is the Australian dollar. So let's have a little look at what we wrote. So we said, okay, so big resistance lies at the 62.65 level and the 73.85 level. So what we were looking at there was a 40 pip stop loss at 62.75 in the first instance, and if that one didn't complete as we wanted, 73.85 was then going to be the next major level. So we're looking at this trade here, and again, this was given out first thing on Monday morning. So it's all about patience, guys. It's all about knowing the price levels at which you want to be entering the market at. So it was a price of 72.65. Now, Monday morning, what you do is you set your trade up to go short of the market at 72.65, 40 pip stop loss, and you wait for that market to come to you. It's all about very patient and disciplined trading around here at Platinum. So 72.65, as we can see, triggered in Tuesday night. Sort of late on, around about sort of between the hours of 10 and 11 on Tuesday night. So this trade here is actually open and it's ongoing. We are currently around about sort of 75 pips to the good on this trade. Now we're looking for at least 150 pips, as I say. So this trade here, so the price has come up, we've triggered in. And for the rest of the week, the price of the Aussie dollar has been in a downward turn, which is what we wanted it to do. So we also have another trade that we gave out, which was the Canadian dollar. So the Canadian dollar here, so we're saying, okay, what we want to do is we want to get an entry as close to 132.80 as possible, again with a 40 pip stop and a minimum target of 150 pips. So if we look at this trade here, and again that trade was given out on Monday morning, this being Monday morning here, so when this trade was given out the price was at 133.90. So we have to be we have to be patient, and we have to be disciplined in order to wait and get our price and get our correct entry. So on Monday, price actually rallied up here. This was a typical stop hunt on Monday morning, around about sort of the hours of 11 and 12, and as you can see, very short-lived, bang, price goes up and comes immediately back down again. So this sort of set the ball in motion for us. So Monday we weren't triggered in, Tuesday we weren't triggered in, but because we already had our levels mapped out and we already had our orders in the market, well, guess what? Hey presto, it's triggered in around about 3 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Again, 40 pip stop loss. And we're looking for a minimum of 150 pips on this trade here. So the price currently sitting up there at 133.65. So we're currently sort of 85 pips to the good on that trade there. So a very, very pleasant week that we've had so far. Obviously, we're going to leave these trades in over the weekend because we want them to go and complete for their targets. But we've made 200 pips on near enough this week from 3 trades, so that's 3 trades, 3 winning trades. And again, you know, what we do here at Platinum is very disciplined, it's very patient, it's very methodical trading. It's how everybody should trade, in our personal opinion. You need to know what the banks are doing and how the banks are going to do it. This is what we teach here at Platinum. Essentially, it's trading in its rawest form, raw price action trading, and this is how the banks trade, and this is how we teach our clients to trade. So if you're not a client of ours currently, do please come across to www.platinumtradingsystems.com or www.platinumtradingacademy.com. We are currently offering a free consultation session with either myself or one of my colleagues. What we'd like you to do is to leave your name, your email, and your telephone number. Where did you hear about us is always a nice one, so that we know where sort of the clients are picking us up from. If you leave your details with us, one of our representatives will be in contact with you shortly. We hope you enjoyed that. We hope you enjoy looking and viewing on the Platinum videos and sort of seeing our insights, our trading methodologies. So once again, go and have a good weekend, another stellar week here at Platinum, and we hope to see you in the very near future. Thanks ever so much. Take care.